Bayaw, meron bang NPA dito? NPA.
Dabaw nga, wala eh.
Tago na kayo, yan na, bakbakan na.
May bakbakan na.
Lang
Rock houses ng mga sinauna pala ito. Ito yung well. Well.
Strange thing, they didn't have electricity, they didn't have running water. But in 1925 they had mains gas.
No gas.
No, well we did have gas in the 1920s, but not now.
Picture.
What are you doing?
Ilang years na to, sis? 250 million years.
Come in.
O yan. Ang galing, no? Nice.
Picture tayo nga din.
Explain it.
Oh, look, sis.
No.
Sila yan.
Pakita mo yung cave.
Ang galing. Ang ganda.
That's why they're preserving.
Welcome to the world. Sila yung nakatira dito, yung mga yan.
Yeah, yun na yung well, oh.
Oo.
Diba sabi ko, I show a different way.
Oh, yeah.
Ata.
Okay.
Different way.
Baka mo na.
Hindi, doon din tayo lulusot.
Hindi, pwede ba balikan tayo?
Ito yung pinaka-room nila. Sis, andito yung Arinola.
Don't touch anything. No. What about the baby? Where's the baby? Nawawala yung anak ni Janice. For water. Baka may laman yan.
Ang galing. Ganda. How about this one? Sarah and Joseph Fletchers had 3 daughters and 1 son.
3 daughters? Kala 4 pa lang,
Ano na yung mga anak-anak nila,
Maybe they died.
In the beginning.
Ganda sis
In
yan,
the beginning. In the beginning. Grabe. 250 million years. Oh, ang galing.
50 million years old.
Rock house ng mga sinaunang tao. 250 million years. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya katibay. Grabe. Para siyang sa loob ay kuweba. Ayan.
The giant frogs.
Bahay na ba to?
Ayan yung mga nila. Grabe.
A three-trunk tree. I wonder if that tree's still there. I think it would be. Silver birch, isn't it? Silver birch.
Old stuff.
How did you spend your day when you were there?
Ilalagyan nila,
What did Ray?
Reserve talaga nila, no?
Yeah. Kakain na ba? Mabugas ko na.
Kwarto yan. Ay, tinan yung kaldero nila.
Plancha. The plancha sis.
Mga antique. Ang galing.
To get out in the countryside.
Radyo.
Woods and
Mga plates.
Also put down here. September the 7th.
Ito yung storage nila. Ayan, may lalagyan ng bread.
Very basic lang, no?
blackberry.
Meron pa kaya silang ginagdag na dito ng mga mga bagong...
Oo, meron.
And of course,
Uy, baston mo na yan.
a lot more vegetation in those days because there weren't the quantity of people. So it hasn't got chance.
They added some stuff.
Because I was about
Ayan.
8.
Sinauna.
And sometimes the ferns and things were head high.
Biruin nyo yun? 2,050 million? Oh. Grabe, ang galing.
Well, they remember talking about it on the blanket. It was very much died.
Ang ganda, no? Ala. Ito siguro yung nakatira dito. Isa sa nakatira. Ayun siguro yung anak. Nakagala na naman ang mga persons. Ayan. Uwian na. Thank you, Sis Beth and Bayaw. Bye. See you next